Your house is your home, your car is your freedom, and your family is, well, everything. So in order to protect what's most important in your life, you'll want to contact the team at Brightway Insurance. Blair, I understand that the Brightway approach to insurance is really kind of different. So what is the Brightway approach?
You know, one of the things I think that is important about Brightway is that we put the customer's needs first. Typically when a customer comes in, we take our 100 A-rated companies and we put those companies to work that best fits the customer's needs. So at the end of the day, you know, the customer does walk out of here with not only the best price, but the right coverage for their particular risk.
I actually, with my fiance, had a homeowner's policy with a company that wasn't able to provide the type of coverage that we needed. And so we came to Blair to see if he was able to find a different provider that would be able to get the coverage that we needed. And he actually was able to get the coverage that we needed and get it for a better price.
All right, now Brightway is a multi-state company, but the feel here is very local. It seems like the relationship is super important to you.
Absolutely. You know, I was born and raised in Gainesville, and my parents were, you know, raised here as well. And, you know, my first hire was my best friend from first grade. So, you know, it's an important piece of the puzzle when you have customers coming in. They're wanting to trust you. And if you're a part of the community and you're a part of, you know, this family, team-oriented process, they're going to buy into that. And at the end of the day, it's all about trust, and I think they're going to get that here.
All right, now let's talk a little bit about cost, because in today's economy, I know that the bottom line is really important to people. So are there savings in the Brightway approach?
One of the things I tell people is you know, don't price shop your insurance. At the end of the day, I tell people price is one part of it. Get the right coverage, get the right company, and 9 times out of 10 with a Brightway model, with all of the companies that we have to offer, the cheapest price tends to come and show its face at the end of the day.
So it's a win-win then?
Absolutely.
All right, well, let's talk a little bit about the education component, because I know that you and your team take the time to educate your customers on the different options that are out there.
That's one of the most important things to me. I won't sell you a policy until you totally understand what you're being covered for. You know, that covers me at the end of the day, but it covers you at the end of the day too. You know, we're going to break down coverages, we're going to break down each policy, we're going to break down the companies for you, and to where you absolutely understand what you're paying for, so that you're more informed, but more importantly, you know, you're happy with what you're paying for.
When I sat down with Blair, I brought him both my husband and my home and auto policy, and after looking at different options, he was able to save us over $600 on our annual premiums, which was fantastic and money back in our pocket.
All right, now I know that a lot of Florida residents are going to want to know, is Brightway here to stay? Is this reliable and for the long run?
Absolutely. I think Brightway is a game changer. I think what you're going to see is more Brightways pop up on the corner of the street with the options that we offer and the service that we offer. I think it's unparalleled to anything that's out there right now.
All right, great. Thank you so much, Blair, for spending a little time with me today. For smart protection and brilliant service, you're going to want to contact the team right here at Brightway Insurance. You can find them in Hale Plantation.